then the T-Rex came, scaring everyone. Roar! Yeah! Dinosaur! Roar! Did you hear that, George? That must be Daddy.
Surprise!
Wow! A house with wheels!
That's right. It's called a motorhome. And we are going to use it to go on a camping adventure.
Yeah!
This looks like a very fun camping site. Shall we set up our motorhome?
Yeah! Is that a hammock on the roof?
Yes, Peppa. Daddy Pig or I can sleep up there.
Where will George and I sleep?
Let's do a tour of our motorhome. Follow me. This is your bedroom.
Okay, so there's one hammock and 2 beds. That makes 3. But there are 4 of us. There's not enough space for everybody.
Ah, well spotted, Peppa. But we haven't finished our tour yet. These benches can be turned into a bed, so there's enough space for everyone to sleep.
I love our motorhome. It's magical.
It is. How about you and George go and play outside while Mummy and I finish setting up?
Whee! Woo! Whee! Daddy, can you please tell us a scary story? Now that it's nighttime, it will be doubly scary.
Well, I've heard that this camping site is home to a very creepy spider. They say he... Whoa! Oh, seems I'm not very brave when it comes to telling scary stories. Okay, George, how about you tell us a scary story?
Dinosaur! Grrr! I've changed my mind. That's too scary, George.
I think that's enough scary stories for tonight. I know what we could do instead. Some stargazing. Well spotted, George. That's a shooting star. Make a wish.
Some of the stars make shapes, like those ones. They look like, well, they look like me.
You're right, Peppa. A group of stars that make a shape is called a constellation. Who would like to see the constellations in the sky more clearly?
Yes!
So you set it up as so and peek through this part at the sky. Ah! Oh my!
What is it? Silly Daddy, it's only a tiny little spider. Mummy, what do you think George wished for earlier when the shooting star passed by? What was that? I think I know what George wished for now.